So today I'm going to talk to you all about my teacher YouTube channel. So I'm going to go to my channel on YouTube, and here I have like a collection of beneficial tools that can help you learn more about what I expect in the class. First, I'm going to show you the cold calling playlist. With my cold calling, this playlist has many videos describing how I can utilize cold calling, and here it has two teachers talking about what cold calling is. Here it's teachers using cold calling, and this is what cold calling is. So then I'm going to go back and I'm going to talk about the attention getting devices. This is also something I'll use in class, and I'm going to show you an example of some cold calling. Okay, so these are all different ways the teacher grabbed her students' attention, and I may pull some attention grabbers out of that sometime. But all of these are just teachers utilizing the idea of using an attention signal getter. And so then we go on to get up and move. So I know we've all had that time where we're sitting around studying or working on homework, and it's like, oh, I just need to move, and I totally understand that. So these videos are all about like getting up and just not like getting up and having fun and dancing, but beneficial ways to get going. So here, Gonoodle is a very good website to talk about this, but here you just follow them and dance with them. Okay. So then we go back from here, and then I have grammar songs. So as we're learning about conjunctions or prepositions or helping verbs, and as we go, I'll add more from what we learned, but these all songs can help us remember these words. So for example, we have the preposition song. Okay, so all of these are prepositions, and whenever you memorize the song, you know all the prepositions, so that might be beneficial if you are having trouble just memorizing a list. Put a little tune behind it. Okay, so as we have these, I've subscribed to many different websites or many different YouTube channels. This one's called Crash Course, and it talks about history, science, engineering. It talks about a bunch of different things. So if we're talking about a topic and you just want to search it, they have a bunch of information on these topics. So like here, this one talks about what is statistics. So whenever we talk about statistics in math, maybe you get confused. Just look at this video and watch it, and maybe it'll help better explain that. And then we go, and I have subscribed to Gonoodle as well. This is more songs that just help you get up and move. So whenever you're feeling like, I just need a break, go dance to two Gonoodle songs. It'll help. Okay, so then we go, and then the learning station, which is kids' songs and nursery rhymes. So we've all heard nursery rhymes like Mary Had a Little Lamb and all that, but these nursery rhymes, this one's like ABCs, so it's songs that are going to help you learn more like topics or standards that we need to in a more fun way. So another thing it has is like it has songs that you can just get up and take a break from learning from, or some of them that you will use. Like here's the Sunday Monday song. So here, this you could use to learn your first 7 days of the week, or the 7 days of the week. So you can just use these different subscriptions or some of my videos to help you just catch a tune and then memorize things that way as well. So that is my YouTube channel. Let's go back to here. And yeah, so if there's the playlists, and then if you have any questions or anything, just message me or whatever. Yeah.